Sir, sir, in Playwright, maximize the window, minimize the window. Is there available methods?
Yeah, we have maximization also. Initially, we have written already, I think, right? The maximization. No?
No, no,
Did we write or no?
no, sir, no. We didn't write that.
We didn't write the maximizing?
No, sir, we haven't
No,
written.
no, sir. We haven't
Okay.
tried.
Okay. So now it is opening in minimized mode or maximized mode? How did you observe?
Minimize it mode only, sir, now.
Okay. So we have a methods all. So you can use that. So there is even you can set the the window sizes also using set viewport size. I think I explained this, right? Set viewport size, not covered,
Of course, not covered. Yes.
not covered. Yeah, then I think I will cover that also in one of the things we can see that how to maximize the browser window and also set a different. I think you can give the different resolutions also. Yeah, I'll show you that. Okay, you can give screen size, you can set width to height, you can give that, and all of them you can get. Even so, we can close the page also. Dot close method I explained. Did I explain dot close method?
Yes, explain, sir. Dot close method explain.
Dot close we covered. Okay. Okay, so we'll cover them also. Don't worry. So first, let's finish this. We're in recording mode. The second one is I will write another test. Okay, I'll write another test. Just copy paste this one. Multiple tests will make so that it will be easy for us. So handle next one, confirmation alert. Okay, confirmation alert. So the dialog is similar. Okay, so you don't need to worry about that. Page dot on dialog, async dialog variable. So the dialog type is confirm. What is that? Dialog type is confirm. You have to say dialog type is confirm dialog, and understand this. The code you need to understand. See, this is the one. When you click on this, so you are getting a press a button. You have to validate the message, press a button. Again, same code, right? Just take this message and so verify the confirm alert message. Enable the confirm alert dialog. And I'm just changing this. Okay, simple. And then accept the dialog. So accept the dialog. So if you want to accept, so dialog dot accept method. So await dialog dot accept method you need to write. If you, for example, if you want to cancel, so click on cancel. So await dialog dot dismiss. You can see dismiss method. Yeah, any one you can use, not both. Okay, so I'll show you both after writing the code. One after the other, we'll see that. Okay, so you can close or you can accept the alert dialog. But you have to
Can we
click
use
on.
this?
You have to click on this confirmation alert. Just get that confirmation alert locator. So there is a ID, confirm button, just copy this. So open the selector sub, copy, there is a copy option also. So this is ID, right? ID means hash ID value. That's a CSS selector. So we are using that CSS selector here. I'm just clicking on that. So it will handle that. So now first I accept, and then I'll show you next when you are running dismiss. So run the program now. But after this, see when you click on, OK, you pressed OK. So we need to validate this text also, right? So let's validate this text also. So we'll validate this text also. And how to validate the text? Morning I have given, right? Assertions. Anybody remembered? Anybody remembered how to validate the text? Page dot locator. No, you have to put assertion means
To have text.
expect method. Inside you write a page dot locator, and you can give the locator value. So what is this element locator? So this element locator, spy on that first. See P ID, maybe you can take this XPath. I'll take this XPath. So I'm going to give this XPath. See, single quote inside, single quote not allowed. Either you can make it outside double quotes and keep inside a single quotes. Okay, that's the procedure. So outside you can put a double quotes, and inside the XPath you can keep it a single quotes. And what is the method to verify the text?
To be text.
To have text. Okay, to have text.
Okay.
So to contain text, to have text, right? These two methods we used morning. So just give that. Sorry. So what is the text? You pressed OK, right? Just copy this. To have text or to contain text. So these are the two methods, any one of them you can use. Okay, let me use the other method also so that you will be remembering them. To contain text. We don't need this. Oh, one more bracket is missing here. Bracket was missing. Yeah. So this is the bracket for the locator, and this is the bracket for expect. Right. Let's execute this and see why it is throwing error here. Expected
I
semicolon.
think semicolon.
But semicolon is not required, but it will automatically takes care of that. Unexpected token, expected comma.
Is there any space, sir? After okay. No.
Let's see what is the space or any space is there. You can get it from here. There is no space. Let's use soft, okay? So this even if it fails also, let it continue. Continue your test case. Mm, mm. 39 is being edited. Okay, let's run this. We'll see. Okay. Yeah. See, simple alert is clicked. And 2 tests, 2 are passed. Right, we are not getting any errors also. But let's open the report. Right, we don't know whether this one is giving some error. Let's open that. I'll open here only. I didn't copy, I think.
Because you have pressed Control C, sir. It is the command to quit from that.
Oh, quit it.
Just do localhost colon 9323.
So you want to copy from. So let me copy from.
Yeah, no need to copy, sir. I think just localhost colon 9323. That's it.
See that it is passed all. Okay? No issues at all for us. Even see to contain text. It is correct only. No issues. To have text. So yes, perfect. Right, we are good. No issues with that. That's okay. So it was giving some error. Don't worry. But let me run. No, I'll comment out this one, and I'll use dismiss method. Even dismiss also same, right? You can just use should dismiss. So that is the dialog. So prompt dialog. Sorry, confirmation dialog. Simple alert. Sir,
But
alerts are
while
not opening. You can it internally it will take taken care. Okay. So say you pressed cancel. Can you say you pressed cancel? But here this time it will fail here. Why? Because
you pressed cancel, it should display.
we pressed cancel. That's why it is clearly mentioning here. That is expected. Okay. So don't worry. So we can so you pressed cancel. I can write it here to make it pass. Okay, next one. Let's move on to the next test case.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. That is
Mhm.
in the line number 27. The expectation is to be a confirm. We need to give only confirm, or we can give confirm alert also.
No.
How we know?
Only it supports alert, confirm, and prompt. So that's what in the documentation also they provided here. You can see here. So 3 types: alert, confirm, prompt.
Prompt.
3 dialogues. Okay, you have to
Okay.
use only these names.
Okay, sir.
That's what even I have used it here. Alert, confirm. The next one will create a.
Sir, before expect, if we
Mhm.
don't write await, is it okay, right? Is it fine, right?
No,
Because
you must write. So await is going. I already told you the importance of await and async.
okay, sir, but
Very
in the
clearly
line number
explained.
29,
Hmm?
in the line number 29,
Mm-hmm.
before expect we didn't write await, right? But it worked.
So this is for dialogue, and the await is for the, so the any action methods if you are doing, so this any action method, but here also if you write that is good, but here this is inside the listener. For this type and the messages you don't need, but dismiss and accept methods you need that. So independently you are calling the variable, right? That's why. So
Hmm.
expect inside if you are writing, no need. But
Okay.
here, so this is the methods you are calling here. So not the alert type. Alert type you don't need to write here, but here you have to write. So as I mentioned, the JavaScript is asynchronous programming. This
Yeah.
async will release the promise, resolve the promise, and this will wait. So this will wait until this promise is resolved. If the promise is not resolved, and so this is not going to wait. That's why you have to wait. Await is a very important along with async. So in this listener, that will take care. First you are confirming. So if the type is not that one, it won't go further. So that is the, but here you don't need that. If you write also, there is, it's not going to be any problem. If you don't write also, no problem here, right? Even if you write, that's good. Both are okay. So it will take care here, but in the listener inside. But generally, await is mandatory for all the commands, right? So very important, all this. Await and async is combinedly you have to write for every line of code. So let's create one more test, last test, that is handling prompt. So here you are getting a nice some more extra commands you are getting.
Text box.
Text box you will get, right? Generally. So this is the, sorry, prompt. So you have a default value, how to validate the default value, and so how you can type a new value and then assert it and validate this message again. So all this we can see that. The same code you can use, but here you have to give a prompt, right? So the type is prompt type. So then see, when you open, what is the message you are getting? The message is please enter your name. That's a message. So if you want to verify the message, you can just put that message. So dialog dot message method you are calling. That message should contain this value. Now, so when you open, you can see here the default value is there in the right, in the alert prompt to dialog box, prompt to dialog edit box. How you can validate this one? So there is a method called in the dialog method, we have a default value method is there. So when you use dialog dot, you got a dismiss, you got a accept, you got message, right? Same way you will get one more. So just I'll write validate the default value in the edit box, prompt edit box. How you can do? Await expect. So dialog dot, see there is a method, default value method. Okay, just select that default value method, then to contain what it should contain. So what is the value? Harry Potter. It should contain Harry Potter. And then so accept. So accept the dialog. Maybe you can accept the dialog with some, you can type also. You can type accept the dialog with you type some other name. So I'll type a different name. So see, accept method will accept some text also. You can write here, for example, I'll write Ramesh. So then you can give this. So you click on that. This is how you can validate. Again, dismiss if you want. You can click on dismiss. Otherwise, you can accept the value, whatever the value you want. So after this value, see, you're getting this one, right? So I'll write here. So you can just need to validate this text. You already know this. Just give. Yeah. So that is the one. And but this locator, I need to change the locator. Prompt alert. So copy this and give it here. You can say prompt alert. Right, already we are done. Let's trigger this. Yeah, good. All the 3 test cases are ready. So let's execute new terminal. Already we have here. We can use the same one. One by one it is executing. Confirmation. It failed. Where it failed? Oh, okay. So this one, I need to. So this one I'll accept instead of dismiss. That was the issue. Yeah, let's run this one more time to make it pass.
We didn't keep any order, right, sir? But
You
it is
don't-
executed from
So
bottom to top.
yeah, so it is executing. We didn't keep any order. Again failed. Handle confirmation alert. Yeah, all 3 are passed, right? Just give this report. Basically, they will run parallelly if you enable parallel execution. and it won't wait for the, so localhost 9323. Yeah, you can see simple alert and prompt, right? So these are all the assertions you can verify that. That's all. We'll see tomorrow morning. Frames will complete. Frames, simple frame and iframes, how to handle. Then we'll see few more things are pending. Like you asked, right? Maximizing and setting the browsers different sizes. How to set that. So that we'll cover next week.
Sir, today evening, can you explain the file upload this one?
Oh, file upload?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'll do that. So maybe frames will cover after that. First, I'll cover the file upload.